Good morning, guys. Okay, I know I go on and on and on about all these first generation items that I got from IOD, but if I bought them all, I have to come up with ideas, so I thought I'd just show you some of the ideas I came up with to use them. And these ones were called paintable cards, and they're nursery cards, and they're just like so cute. Here's one with a mouse and a little girl, and there's the velveteen rabbit. And I mean, they're just adorable. So you get a bunch of little small ones, and then you also get some really big ones like this. So on these ones, all I did was sew them to some paper, and then out of my little cling stamp, the Curiosities, they had this little clip, and I just loved it. So I thought, I'm just gonna it looks like it's just clipped on here. And the bigger ones were really easy because they're the same size, and I could just use the big card. So all I did was use the card, or use this piece right here, cut a piece of cardstock, and I always recycle all my paper, so I had all this cute paper cut to the same size, put it all together like this. And the last thing I did was took some black cardstock and then just measured about a 1/2 inch at the front, a 1/2 inch in the back, and then I think there's like a 1/4 inch in the center of where that is. Now the one thing I am really lucky about is I have this really deep stapler. I love these old office tools because they're so great. And this is just an old swing line, but it staples it all together for me, and you have an instant little notebook. How fun and quick and easy. Just another idea. Have fun, guys. Thanks for watching.